How to calculate packing ratio for short shipment. If order quantity 800 pieces, here XS, size 200 pieces S, size 300 pieces M, size 300 pieces. We have to calculate size ratio for 500 pieces. Formula: short quantity divided by order quantity equal 500 divided by 800 equals 0.625. XS size short quantity equal XS size order quantity 200 into 0.625 equal 125 pieces. S size short quantity equal S size order quantity 300 into 0.625 equal 187.5 pieces. M size short quantity equal M size order quantity 300 into 0.625 equal 187.5 pieces. So XS size short quantity 125 pieces, S size short quantity 187.5 pieces, M size short quantity 187.5 pieces, total short quantity 500 pieces. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.